unboxing, uncrating. Okay, how do we go up?
Oh, hey, this is like the shield. There's like the output shaft, and then this is the screeny guy.
What lies beneath should be a tire balancer. I don't know what's in the accessory box. And what lies beneath here should be a tire changer. So, more to come on that. If you're not sure what to do, just make sure, no matter what happens, you do not double stack. Welcome back. Minnesota's Russ. We have a new addition to the shop, or two new additions to the shop.
That's some more disorganization.
Derek Weaver. There. No, not Derek Weaver, but she works. So, it is weird how much space a tire changer with a hood actually takes up. We just unboxed them. They're great. Balancer, thank you, balancer with a hood. We got one with a hood. And then, we gotta put the arm still on top of the changer. And that is right there. So, we have 3 sets of tires we gotta change already. Sitting in our tire storage area. So we're getting there. Star of the show. What are, oh, but with a little bit of damage. We already did a warranty claim coming out of the box. But these guard things bolt on. We got a new one coming in the mail. No problem there. So, star of the show. What are your thoughts on being able to do our own tires?
I think it'll be handy. Just the main thing we got to worry about is how much space we need going this way, how much we don't really want to move too much, because that'd be a lot of extra rabbit holing that wouldn't make sense.
Rabbit holing.
Is that even a word?
It is now. We're changing the name of the channel. Minnesota is rabbit holing Rust.
So, the extra option for the hood, which is more expensive, but it's, you know, danger.
But having played with tire machines in the past, and you have a wet tire, imagine the mess you'd get on the ceiling. You already get some on the floor, but you get a pretty good mess if you spun a wet tire. So, more to come on these units, just getting them set up. We got electricity, we got air. We just gotta do what we gotta do. Okay. Other star of the show, any thoughts on this?
It's getting late, past my supper time.
We gotta get Grandpa in for supper. And get grandson in for supper too. And hungry. Maybe this guy too. Okay, thank you much. We think we got him where we want him. We got an arm on this guy. You've got quick connect, put on the back of that. You gotta thread your gauge in there. Gotta put a little control box there. And we just got done connecting the air lines that go up through the tower. Almost there. Pressurizing the system and checking for leaks. Minnesota is Rust is proud to present our Weaver 894 XS. We think. Just powered it up, just pressured it up, checking for leaks.
I think there might be one little leak in something over here.
So I don't hear any major hissing, but we'll track it down. So, what can this do?
Okay, so if you... Where's my imaginary tire?
Just pretend it's in your hands already. Look, it's in your hands. I can see it.
This is my tire, okay?
Okay.
So you... Do.
Boy, that bead's really stubborn. How do you break it? So let's try it again. Put the arm all the way out so you can see that guy move. Okay, here we go. Crunch City. Oh! Okay. We'll keep going. Next. You put the wheel on top. Up you go. Boom. Clamps the wheel in place. Now, bring the arm over. Lower it down to where we want it. Okay. Give her a spin. There we go. Air up the tire. Or dry off your face. One of the two. There we go. Okay, to be continued. So we believe we have officially programmed and officially done the calibration and officially tried to balance. So we will see if we are officially correct. Oh yeah, and that's making some noise too. But, you know, when in doubt, full service shop right here. Professional. Any words for the fans?
Taking off low profile tires is very hard.
Yeah, 22s are very different than 16s or 17s on the pickup. 22s are a little different. Oh, yeah.